Viewers, welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe my channel. You're my happy place. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. Love is when the other person's happiness is more important than your own. I have found the one whom my soul loves. Love is a game that two can play and both win. You're my favorite notification. Love is friendship set on fire. You complete me. Love is an endless act of forgiveness. To love and be loved is everything. Love is the flower you've got to let grow. With you, I am home. You are my heart, my life, my only thought. Love is the only force capable of transforming an enemy into a friend. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. I love you more than yesterday, but less than tomorrow. Love isn't something you find. Love is something that finds you. You're the calm in my chaos. Love is when you feel at home in someone's heart. You make my heart smile. One soul, two hearts. You're my heart's favorite place. Love is the bridge between two hearts. You are my forever person. Where there is love, there is life. I am yours. Don't give me back. You're the dream I never want to wake from. Your love is my happy place. With you, everything feels right. You complete me in every way. I see my future in your eyes. Love is the only language I need with you. Forever isn't long enough with you. I still fall for you every day. Your love is my greatest adventure.